Want to turn your text into audio in CapCut on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to convert text into audio. So, let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Then, create a project or open up an existing project. Then, tap on the text option below. Next, slide right to left to find the text to audio option. Here, enter your text. Like, I'm gonna show you an example by tapping on Try an Example. Next, select voice from below, like men, women, or kids. Then if you tap on that voice, you will get Speed Adjust option. And now adjust the speed level. After adjusting, then tap Next from the top right. Then tap Split. Wait for a while to generate. Now play the audio and see. And there you have it. It's awesome, right? So folks, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.